Hello my dear learners. In this video we are going to learn how to apply the topology optimization for designed product. Now we have the small steel bracket designed with the slots. Now we can evaluate the mass of this component. The mass of the component is around 235 grams. So our goal is to reduce the weight of the component by applying topology optimization. Just note down the existing weight of the component. Then move to the simulation study where we applied the topology optimization already. Here you can see I defined the fixed supports and load application directions where this component is practically stimulated in real-time condition. Our goal is to reduce the mass, so I defined the constants here for mass. Here you can see the results. So the software is suggesting to remove the material in both distal and proximal end of the component. Here you can see the material is removed in dark blue color, where the software is suggesting to remove the material which does not impact the product intended performance and quality. Here you can see the color bar. Wherever the dark color is, it is okay to remove. It is not impacting the product performance. Wherever the yellow color bar is there, we have to must keep the material, because if you remove the material in yellow color appearance, it will impact your product performance and quality. So now you compare the weight of the component in previous design and a new design after applying topology optimization. The old design weight is, as we discussed, it is 235 grams. You can select whatever material you need to apply in a topology optimization. You can apply steel alloy, aluminum alloy, or plastic materials based on your requirements, because material plays a important role while you applying the topology optimization. All the material does not give similar results, so results will be very material to material. Again, we just seeing the existing weight of the component, then move to the topology design. Just show the results. Here you can see the weight of the component. You can see the material weight is reduced by 20 grams. So it will create a good positive impact in your business strategy and profit making by material saving. This is how we applied the topology optimization successfully. Subscribe for more videos.